Hey guys, it's me Fiza from the Fizasso Sisters, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Dutch braid. Let's get started. For your materials, you'll be needing some hair, of course, a comb, and a hair tie. Comb the hair nicely and make sure there are no knots. The first step is to get 3 sections at the top of the head. Make sure that they are thin and small sections, or else the hairstyle will not work properly. Start braiding them, but go underneath instead of over. If you start braiding over, then it'll create a French braid, which is the complete opposite of what we want. So, take the strand on the outside and put it underneath the strand on the middle. Add some hair to the newest strand. Repeat the same step on both sides of the hair. Keep on adding hair as you move down. Make sure you do this tightly, because if you don't, then you won't really be able to see that it's a braid. Make sure that you have practiced this before you do it on someone's head. Keep on adding hair to each side, and remember to go under. Now, if you were creating 2 twin Dutch braids, then you would have to split your hair in half and do it on each side of your head. But twin Dutch braids are a lot harder because you have to separate the hair evenly, or else it'll look awkward. Because one side will have more hair than on the other, which will mean that one braid will be thicker than the other. Remember to braid underneath. At the end of the braid, you can tie a pony or keep on continuing the braid. I like to tie it because it makes the hair look thicker. The last step is to pull out some strands of the hair. This makes the braid look a lot thicker, and it makes it look a little bit messy, which makes it look pretty. That's how you do a Dutch braid. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and like this video.